Hey buddies, what's up? Welcome to a new video on my channel, and in this episode we will take care of the lighting in here. So that has to go, that is not nice for a room like that. So I wanted to have something more Mancave style. So I have an old taxi sign over here. That's it. It's from an old Mercedes. Yeah. So what we basically do is the light is going in like right here, like this somehow. Yeah, but yeah, we're gonna take care of that first. So yeah, we take it apart, paint it new and black, clean everything up and put another light in there, and yeah, I'm gonna take you with me and we're gonna build that light right now. Alright, so I take the taxi sign off. That is how it looks right now. Yeah, and yeah, I have a LED light bar, what is 60 centimeters, what is exactly that length. So we're gonna take this four out, but first of all I'm gonna paint it black, and then I got the light in here, get the cover back on, and make a base to screw it on. I probably use this holes here to make a construction underneath, because it's like yeah, like a rainbow shape or whatever it is called. So I cleaned it up, and yeah, now it's ready for the paint. Yeah, alright. So I got the paint, and we go ahead. Alright, so I painted it black already. Yeah, it looks pretty okay. And I mounted the light in here. Yeah, so, and the wiring is coming out of one of the old holes. And I put yeah, some wood under here so I can mount it on the base plate later on. Now I mount the top back on, and then we gonna try it out. So that is how it looks after we're done with it. Yeah, now we're gonna mount it. Yeah, for the first try, but later on it getting a better base, and the base gets painted black too. But for right now, we just screw a little bit, a little plank about under it and hook it up to the light and see what happens. Alright, so I installed the taxi sign, nearly there where it should be later on, just a little bit more left. And yeah, like I say, I just put two pieces of wood under there. It's getting another base later on and painted black too. But for right now, that is how it looks. And just for now, I hooked it up to the light, and I took off that light and that light so we can see how it looks. Alright, so now I'm gonna turn it on. Okay, yeah, so that is how it looks like. Yeah, it's not too bright, it's not too dark. It's just right for enjoying and relaxing, and for an indirect light. Yeah, so it's pretty nice. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video, and yeah, that's how I made the Mancave light right here, and we're gonna see us next week.